Hello and welcome back to Xatrix. We got the Audi S3 today in the workshop. The customer came in, he wanted a new set of suspension. The ride height of the car is too low and the customer is living in Slough and he was complaining with all the bumps and the potholes, so he wanted a more comfortable ride. So we're fitting a new set of ST suspension. So we just removed the front coilover and we just noticed that the top mount is not the original Volkswagen. So we are replacing with the new strut, and we got the original Volkswagen top mount for Audi. So we are now just fitting the new strut back in with the new top mount, and yeah, we go from here.